Hi class, today we're going to talk about a tool that's going to help you no longer have to use a paper dictionary or an online dictionary. So first, we're going to talk about why this is something important that you need to know. So I'm just going to read the slide and you can read along. Unfortunately, vocabulary is one of the biggest struggles for students when they try to understand what they read. Specifically, you are expected to know a lot of words that you don't regularly use, and you don't always know how to use the resources that are available to help you. So if you don't actually know how to use the dictionary or you don't understand what it says in the dictionary, it's just not much help. Honestly, one of the most important things that you need to know when you're trying to learn how to read is how to figure out vocabulary. But worry not, everybody. There's a tool that we can use on your computers that will actually help you with vocabulary and will allow you to avoid a dictionary. How, you ask? Google Read and Write. Google Read and Write is a tool that you already have installed onto your Chromebook. You can use it immediately to look up a definition of a vocabulary word or find pictures to help you understand it. And that's unique because sometimes reading those definitions just doesn't make sense. So to start, I'm going to show you an example Newsela article, which is something that you'll be reading a lot this year. If you look at the red arrow on the top right corner of the screen, you can see that there's a little purple puzzle piece with an RW on it. That's your link to Google Read and Write. You can go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on the Read and Write icon, you're going to get a little screen pop up, and it's got a bunch of different options on it. For now, we're just going to talk about a couple of those that'll help you with vocabulary words. So you'll notice that on my screen now, I've highlighted the word sacrificed because that's my vocabulary word, and I've got two arrows pointing at the two tools that we're going to talk about how to use today. The first one looks like a picture of a book, and that's your actual dictionary. And the second one is your picture icon, and that's the one that's going to bring up images to help you understand words you don't know. So when I click on the book icon, I get my regular dictionary, and as you can see, I have a pop-up window, and it gives me different definitions of the word. For some people, this will be enough to help them understand it, but some of you might just need a little something extra. So when you click on that picture icon, you can see I have something different. Now I have an image that helps me actually understand what the word would look like. So that, for some of you, may be much more helpful than trying to read a definition. It's also a little bit faster, and it makes it just a little bit more fun. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.